Hey guys, welcome back to my Valentine's Day series. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this look and also how to make this look turn into an anti-Valentine's Day look, because some of you did show interest in that. So if you're interested to see how we go from this to the anti-Valentine's Day look, keep on watching. Alrighty, so we're starting off priming our eyes, and I'm using concealer. And today I carved my brows out first with the more natural shade of concealer so that I didn't have the same issue that I had in the last video. So I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking kind of a corally shade and using that as my transition shade. And it is best to kind of pat the color on first and then try to blend it out, and that'll give you maximum color payoff. Next, we're going into well, you'll see in a second. I tried to do it with a matte red first, but I didn't like how it was coming out. So I went on top of it with a shimmery red in the palette. I would recommend using that instead. And just applying that all over the mobile lid. I'm going into this reddish brown color, and I'm applying that to the mainly outer part of the crease to add a little bit more dimension to the look. Okay, so now I'm about to prime my face, but don't let this happen to you. Yeah, fam, don't play yourself like I did. Make sure you wipe off that fallout first, otherwise you will look like a tomato like I did. Now we're gonna actually prime the skin again with the Milani Prime and Shield. This is the glowy one though, and I'm using this one because I want a nice radiance to it. And I am going to be mixing foundations today. I'm gonna be using the Milani 2-in-1 Perfect and Conceal and mixing that with the Maybelline Dewy and Maybelline Fit Me Dewy. And oh my goodness, guys, you're talking about flawless and snatched. As you can see, don't sleep on that combo, y'all. Now I'm going into the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm using that to highlight my face. Now I do realize I went a little bit too ham, and I blended it out with a brush. I don't know why, I've just been into that lately. And make sure though, especially when you have a highlight this bright, go in with your foundation brush and kind of blend them like you would an eyeshadow so that there's a seamless transition in between the shades, because you do not want to look like you put on a face mask 3 times lighter than your skin tone. And I'm just setting that with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I was about to go into my palette again to show you which shades I was going to contour with, and then the freaking lid decided to just snap off. So I'm not very happy about that. But I'm taking these 2 shades to kind of lightly contour my face to counteract that bright ass concealer we just used. And typically I go in with a nice thick liner, but today I decided to keep it thin because I want to be able to easily transition my look into an anti-Valentine's Day look. Now I'm taking that same color that I used in the crease along my lower lash line. For blush, I am going into my Old and Faithful e.l.f. blush kit and using the red shimmery blush. My highlight, I am using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in Molten Gold. And oh my goodness, these highlighters, the Master Chromes, are so incredibly good. They're better than some high-end highlighters. So if you have the chance, you should pick up all of them. I'm going in with my Mario Badescu cucumber and aloe spray and just refreshing the skin. And so for my lips, I wanted to do a monochromatic thing. So I used Circles by ColourPop, but I felt like it made the look, like my eyes look kind of orange. So I decided to switch it to the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Pioneer. And I think that it complemented the look a lot better. And I just went right on top of that other color, as you can see. And then that is it for the actual Valentine's Day look. So this is how it's looking. Yes, serve, slay. Okay, go off, sis. And now we're gonna do that anti-Valentine's. So I am taking a red glitter. Right now I'm using the e.l.f. glitter primer. I would highly recommend getting a glitter primer over a glitter glue and putting that on the inner tear duct of the eyes. So for the eyes, it's a really simple transition. Right now I'm adding some dark brown in the crease to add a little bit more dimension. And I'm going to switch out the lipstick for a matte black liquid lipstick. This is the color Friday by ColourPop. And for the eyes, I decided I wanted it a little bit deeper, so I went ahead and added some black only on the outer half of my crease and then kind of diffused it inward some. And this is the finished look, you guys. So if he doesn't want to be your Valentine, screw him. Just walk out the house looking like $1,000,000 in your beautiful anti-Valentine's Day look. Alrighty, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next video in the series. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.